Hello everyone, it's me again. I needed to explain something very important before you guys keep on working on the third project. So this is what happens. Once you are here, you guys are going to click on the quiz, right? You are going to complete this, okay? And then siguiente, and then you complete that, blah, 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 and then you click on enviar, okay? Alright, so once you click on enviar, you guys are going to see this. So you are going to click on here, ver la puntuación. Alright, now of course I got 0, right? 0 of 24, right? Because I didn't answer anything. But this is what I need you to do. I need you to take a picture of this here where it says total de puntos. I need you to take a picture. I need you to take a screenshot, whatever you want, okay? So let's say that I take a screenshot. Okay, I took a screenshot and then I go to Paint, okay, in case you guys are working with a computer. And that's it. And then I go here to File, I save it, okay, and let's say that I put I don't know, third project, and then your name, in this case Ana, okay, and then you guys click on save. All right, so once you save it, you go back to Google, right, and you go back to third project. As you can see over here, it says tu trabajo, agregar o crear, marcar como completada. If you click on marcar como completada, a mí no me va a llegar absolutamente ninguna nota. Alright, so it means you guys have 0 points for the third project. And remember that the third project is 5% of your final grade. So you guys are going to click over here, agregar o crear. And in here, I need you to attach a file. Which file? Well, basically the picture that we took. All right. Okie dokie. So you see? So I'm going to select archivos de tu dispositivo and I'm going to look for the for the picture that I took, third project Ana. And then I open the document and then I click on cargar or upload, whatever you want. Okay, so you see over there is uploading. There you have your image uploading. There you go. And once I do this, I click on entregar. Alright, so once you do all of this, now I'm going to get your real grade and then I can go ahead and give you your grade. Alright, but I really need you guys to do all of that. For those of you who submitted this but you didn't do this because you didn't do it, because otherwise I would get the notification and I hadn't gotten anything. So that would be I guess 2 or 3 of you already submitted the project. So I need you to do it again and do this, follow these steps in order to upload everything. All right, thank you very much, and if you have any question, go ahead and text me.